Go ahead.
It's a head and block resurfacer.
A head and block resurfacer, and the model is?
It's an MG 3000. Picture.
What is this, Ennis?
It's a horizontal hone.
And what's the model number?
I'm not sure.
Go ahead.
It's an MBB 1600.
What is this right here?
It's a rod and cap grinder.
And what model is it?
CRG 770 Sonnen. And then this is a rod heater. It's a CRH 50. Line hone cabinet.
Line hone cabinet.
$295.
What model is it?
T2 $295.
Seat and guide machine. Surdy 100.
Yes.
Another seat and guide machine.
IDL.
IDL. What model is it?
It's an 094 hydraulic vertical hone. Comes with diamond tooling. Manual cylinder hone with a friction feed.
Manual cylinder hone with a friction feed?
Yes. An FN boring bar with a quick way stand with an air assist on it. Better Engineering jet wash cabinet.
Better Engineering jet wash cabinet?
Yes. They open it up.
Ace burnout oven?
Yes. AR Industries airless shot machine. Van Norman flywheel grinder.
Van Norman flywheel grinder?
Yes.
What is it again?
It's a TIG Heliarc welder, Syncrowave 351 Miller.
What is this?
Economaster lathe. A-head Bridgeport with a 36-inch table with a 4-inch riser block. Comes with the right angle tooling also.
What is this?
Boyer Schultz surface grinder.